Okay, try this again. Ed here, out in the garage. Oh, about to experience the joys of home ownership. I got me is a great little mower. It's a Toro mowing stove, 7.25 or 163 cc. Briggs and Stratton. I've already popped the cover off here. Interesting. I think I just found out my problem. I was having problems with this thing keeping going. One of the rods of the carburetor was wedged. Guess that was an easy fix, because otherwise I would have had to replace the carburetor. Which I do have several in reserve. It doesn't take a whole lot of tools or a whole lot of time to do. It's just kind of a pain. Yeah, with that wedge closed like that, it wasn't doing anything. And something got up under there and pushed it. May have to make a stop for that to keep it from doing that. Interesting. Because normally all you do to change out the carburetor, pop your air cleaner off. It's 4 screws inside. 2 are 8mm and 2 are 7mm. They mount to metal ears that go on either side of the carburetor. You've got one clip on the fuel line that you have to undo. You've got 2 lines that come over, or 2 wires that come over and attach to the mechanisms on the top of the carburetor, and then it just lifts out. This is 2 screws, 1, 2, and a big grab tab, and that's it. These are the, I don't know what size they are. They're hex head. Drove me crazy trying to figure out how to do those, but that's it. Got thought they were Phillips, and I'd spin my tail off on a Phillips, and there'd be nothing in there to grab. Easiest fix I've done all day. This is a great little mower. Its carburetor is just cheap. I mean, as far as working on it, it's easy as all get out. All you do is tip it up. Everything's right here. This is the line that was wedged over there. Pop it loose. It's ready to go. Ready to rock and roll. The whole carburetor just lifts out there. It's nothing to them. Got a brand new one right here. Okay. And all it does is make sure that that's all the way open. It was wedged like that on the carburetor. Which locks the butterfly valve closed, which unchoke it. Only thing keeping it is this spring, and I'm going to make sure that the spring is still there. It just cracks that butterfly valve barely. The other one opens it. Just make sure that things get started. Okay. Make sure that spring's there. Yeah. Yep, spring's on it. Oh, I see, it locks it all the way up, way to that side. Well, gee whiz. I think I got enough scrap in here to modify something to stick down in there to make sure that it don't wedge that way. spring out there that I can hook there to there. But looks like the easiest fix on the book. And yeah, this mower is made to be stowed this way. That's why the carburetor is different. That's why the fuel tank's different. That's why the oil tank is different on this one. That's why I bought it, because it stows this way. Alright, but anyway. Looks like they got her fixed. Wow, easiest fix on the books. Oh. Okay. I'd rather remodel it. But as it is, I'll take an easy fix like this any day. So, everybody, do have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.